Hey guys, I'm Catherine.
I'm Alyssa.
And I'm Zoe, and today we're doing the What's Inside the Box challenge.
But today we're adding in a little twist by having some of your favorite MHS teachers join in on the fun.
Let's get started.
My name is
Mr.
Broaddrick, Mr. Ken Whitney.
I'm Mr. Broaddrick,
I teach 9th grade honors world history.
and I teach what he teaches.
Ditto. For this game, I'm going to use my senses. Okay, I feel like I have a lot of worldly experience, so that's how I plan on winning.
Not only am I going to use my normal 5 senses, but I'm going to tap into my 6th sense. Right? I'm not sure what that is, but I'm going to find it, and I'm going to win because I like to win.
Oh, I think it's going to go well.
It's all about bragging rights. You're going down. You're going down.
Let's get it on.
That's it.
Yep.
It's a mouse. A mouse. Can I pull it out? It's not a mouse. One of them's not a mouse?
It's not a mouse.
Is it like a chicken?
It's not a chicken.
A squirrel?
It's not.
It's got a tail. A rabbit?
They have wheels. I can't remember what they were called. They were toys. I don't know. I would go gerbils. 'Cause yeah, let's go gerbils.
Yeah, you got it right.
Nice!
Yeah, you did.
Yeah! What is that?
They're called Zuzu Pets. And gerbils are what the toys were based on.
Zuzu Pets.
It's a pineapple.
Yeah, you did it.
Is that the only thing in here?
It's like some jacked up pineapple.
Yeah. You got it.
Like some kind of robot bug thing.
Is it like a little beetle?
Yeah.
Can I look at it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's like a little beetle, like one of those little things. Is that it? Is there more in here?
Ooh. It's like fruit salad or something. It's some kind of fruit. Fruit cocktail. Cold. Feels like half a grape.
Yeah.
Another half a grape. Fruit salad.
You're right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Woo!
They look great.
Peaches. Grapes, smashed up grapes.
Yeah, you got it.
Yes, you got it.
Set. Go.
It's one of those, like when you're frustrated, you squeeze.
Yeah.
What do you call that? Like a stress ball.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, that's a pile of poo. That's a poop emoji. Yeah.
That was even more accurate.
I felt like I did really well. Like it was quick. I was on it. I had it.
Worse. I thought I would have like more things like, I don't know, maybe I was thinking like sports. Like there would be a baseball, football. I didn't expect like to have cold and cold things and squishy things like that.
It was a little scary. Like
The bug got you.
wasn't sure if something was gonna bite me. Yeah, that was a little scary. You know, he's a pretty good competitor. Very knowledgeable. But I have to believe I did a little better.
I don't think he's going to get 4 out of 5 like I did. Okay? I don't. But we'll see. He likes to win.
You're right. He got 4 out of 5. You got 5 out of 5.
Yes! I'm just happy to be able to represent and to do well. I'll continue to do my very best for you because you work.
Have fun and play games.